Another year is slipping away, but tell me honestly, have you finally become the confident person you promised yourself you'd be? Or are you still second-guessing yourself, holding back in silence, watching others grow while you shrink inside? If yes, it's not because you're weak. You're just fighting a battle no one taught you how to win, and that's why you're here. Because deep down, you know there's a stronger, more confident version of you waiting to rise. So before we begin, comment below, yes, I can do it with Allah. Step 1, rewire your mindset. Confidence isn't about being loud, it's about having the courage to keep going even when you're scared. And the most powerful mindset is one that doesn't need to prove anything to the world. You don't need a perfect face, a perfect body, or the perfect words. You just need one thing, to trust what Allah placed inside you. You were created with honor. So why destroy your self-worth by constantly comparing your life to filtered photos, curated reels, and fake perfection? Remind yourself, what they show online isn't real, but what I build with Allah is eternal. Instead of chasing likes, build character. Instead of sharing your every move, work in silence. Because real confidence doesn't come from praise, it comes from purpose. Step 2, build daily discipline. Confidence grows in private, not in the spotlight, but in your habits. So every day, do these 3 things. Feed your iman, cut off useless scrolling, follow content that grows your soul, Quran recitations, tafsir, reminders. Talk to yourself with mercy. Every night write 3 things you love about yourself. Speak to yourself like someone Allah loves, because He does. Push yourself into discomfort. Talk when you're scared. Say no when it's hard. Take one uncomfortable step every day. Confidence isn't the absence of fear, it's walking with it, knowing Allah is beside you. Step 3, step into your future self. Picture the best version of you, confident, focused, calm, obedient to Allah. Now ask, what habits does that version of me have? Then live like them. Dress with dignity, walk with purpose. Speak with adab, act with taqwa. You're not pretending, you're training your brain to become who you were born to be. And if you ever feel like quitting, remind yourself, even if no one sees me becoming better, Allah does. So here's your reminder, you don't need the world to believe in you. You just need to believe in the one who created you. For the next 6 months, don't chase perfection. Chase progress in silence with dua and with full faith in Allah. And when you fall, say, Ya Allah, I'm trying. Please help me rise. Because confidence isn't about standing tall all the time. It's about kneeling in sujood and whispering, I'm enough because you are with me. Jazakallah khair for being here. May Allah bless you for taking the first step.